Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. Well, today we're going to do another catch and cook, but it's not going to be a trash fish or treasure, even though we've already done one for this fish. And we're going to be cooking the barracuda. You guys know, if you've watched this channel for a while, you know I like barracuda. They're an excellent fish, and I know in some regions of the world they're considered poisonous, but where I live, in the area that I live, we've never had any instance of any poisoning, ciguatera poisoning on a barracuda. You know, just to stay safe, I usually eat fish under 30 pounds. I usually don't eat them over 30 and under, just to stay safe. And I always cut the bloodline out, because that's where the poison congregates, in that bloodline. So I always cut that out, and I try to eat the fish as fresh as possible. But in this video, I was out there with Amber, and we had a nuisance barracuda. It was swimming around the boat, took the tail off our kingfish, was eating all our grunts when we were throwing back or we were reeling them in. So I caught him, and he came home with me. So today we're going to make barracuda, blackened barracuda tacos. Awesome. This is a great fish to do tacos with. So real quick, guys, check out this clip of this cool barracuda, and then I'll see you all at the cleaning table, and I'll see you in the kitchen, y'all. Alright guys, I'm hooked up. I'm hooked up. I got a cuda, so watch out guys. Got a nice cuda. Barracuda. Alright. Alright. There he is. I need the gaff, babe.
Okay, so
big old cuda. Things are starting to happen today. Nice size cuda. It's the one that took the tail off my kingfish.
what if you cut it open and you see the tail?
Oh, he probably ate it already. Yeah, I just ain't got him calm enough down to stick a gaff in him. That's perfect size to eat. It's a perfect eating size cuda. Summer, I want you on the other side of the boat. I don't know what he's gonna do. He's not wanting to give up anytime soon. Come on, Mr. Barracuda. Come on, just get here close enough so I can stick this in you. Just like that. Nope. All right. Got him. Oh, hold this. Where's that? The hook's way in there.
Look at his teeth.
Hook's way in there. All right, let me get this fish unhooked, guys. All right, guys. I got my barracuda here. It's a nice sized barracuda, about a 12-pounder, which is absolutely perfect for eating. This is the size of cuda that I really like. They're pretty easy fish to clean. So basically just make an incision right through here. Right up here in the head part, they have these real hard fibers, almost like bones, which makes it a little bit difficult sometimes. And come in, go along that backbone. About like that. And they got the same color meat as a king mackerel. And to be honest with you, they don't taste no different than a king to me. They are absolutely incredible. Bone right there. Just peel all this back. Go along those rib cages. There you go. There you go. You got a really nice barracuda fillet. Alright guys, here's my nice barracuda fillet. So we'll go ahead and we're going to skin it out. Oops. Alrighty. That's what you got, and that's what it looks like. Absolutely delicious meat, guys. So I'm just going to cut it up in big chunks like that. This is good on the grill. It is good baked. It's good fried. It's good a whole bunch of different ways. It's excellent stuff. Okay guys, I got my barracuda fillets here, and what I'm going to do is just cut all the bloodline out and discard everything I'm not going to use. This looks pretty good. Since this is really thick, I'm going to split it like so, about like that. So I got two fairly nice sized pieces. Do the same thing over here. There's a decent piece. I'll cut this one in half as well. Like that. Alright, I'm going to get the rest of this all ready, and I'll see you at the frying pan. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black and red fish magic. I'm going to coat my fish really good. And as you can tell, barracuda's got really nice, clean, beautiful meat. Very underrated fish, if you ask me. Okay. Get all these coated. And what we're going to do is we're just going to blacken them in a pan with no butter, no oil, just a non-stick pan at a high heat, and that's all we're going to do. Okay guys, I got my pan nice and hot. Go ahead and just set the barracuda fillets in here. Put as many in here as we can. And I think this will be about it on this batch. About like that. So we'll let these cook about 1.5 to 2 minutes on each side, and they'll be ready to go. Alright guys, we're going to flip these over. There we go, looking good. That one came out real nice. Oh yeah, looking real good. That's what you're looking for, guys, is a nice little crust on them. Looks pretty good, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to check them real quick. There we go. These ones are done. And barracuda is a very meaty fish. I'll let those two bigger ones stay in just a little bit longer. Very firm, very meaty fish. Cut that one off. Alright. I'll flip these ones back over. There we go. Got them stuck a little bit, but that will happen. Alright guys, give those a couple more seconds and then we'll get these other ones going. Alright guys, while that's cooking, Amber got everything set up for our tacos. We got our cheese. She made some guacamole. She also made some awesome pico de gallo. We got our shredded lettuce, sour cream. We also got some flour tortillas, and she also made some yellow rice and some refried beans. So as soon as this fish is done, I'm gonna go ahead and make a taco. We'll be able to sit on the couch and do a taste. Alright guys, I got my barracuda all cooked, and I will have to say it looks absolutely awesome. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to take a little piece of the barracuda, put as much fish on here as that you want. Do mine about like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of cheese, put some cheese on mine, a little bit of lettuce, some pico de gallo, a little bit more, and my favorite, absolute favorite, some guacamole. And there you go. And there you go, guys. There you have a barracuda, a blackened barracuda taco. Awesome. Alright, Jettie Rockers, I got my taco here. Loaded taco. There we go. I'll go ahead and take a bite of this. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's phenomenal. I mean, in my opinion, barracuda make an excellent fish taco. Outstanding. And you blacken it that way in a pan with no butter, no oil. It's outstanding. You can also do it the traditional blackened way with the butter. It's outstanding. You can also do it with the olive oil. You can't mess it up. This fish is good blackened, grilled, deep fried, and it's even good baked. It's one of those rare fish that you can cook it a whole bunch of different ways and you just can't mess this fish up. It's even good in stews. It's really good in a fish soup. So I hope you guys give it a shot. Don't be scared of it, because I know a lot of people say, oh, it can be poisonous. In some regions of the world, yes, it can be. In the United States here, especially in the area of Florida that I'm living in, it's very unlikely, especially if you stay with a smaller fish, you have no problems whatsoever. And always cut the bloodline out. That just even makes it even safer. So it's a really good fish, guys. Don't be scared of all the hype. You know, just check your area. You know, make sure there hasn't been no cases in your area just to be safe. And you should be good to go, y'all. Well, guys, I want to thank you very much for hanging out and watching this video with me. I'm not watching the video, but you're watching the video that I'm making. And I want to thank you guys very much for that. And I also want to thank you guys very much for subscribing to my channel. You guys are awesome. I appreciate you guys very, very much. You guys are awesome. Well, guys, I get to see you again soon here on the water. Tight lines. Hey, Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.